Typical Asian.
Nah, man, that's Jimmy yoga mat.
We had to replace it again because it was falling off. I mean,
Better than before?
Yeah, it's better than before. Even though it's not perfect fitment, it's still decent.
That's why they call it modified, not modified. So.
This one is scraped. I don't know how.
From what?
I don't know, man. You can see it.
Fuck it.
Well, it's time to get the second diffuser. The garage is a mess. That's where I keep the diffuser. And so we had to really cut this piece right here, huh? This diffuser is all scratched up already. Sadly, man.
Yeah, I don't know what. Why?
Man, that's worse. What the hell happened?
I don't know. Ah, fuck it. They not gonna see.
$750 for that diffuser, man. And you can scratch it easily.
The shift. Since we shaved that off, how the hell is it supposed to go like this?
Yeah, it should be something like that.
You say this low.
Yeah. Alright, you can just strap it. I mean, this look perfect, right? It kind of scratches, right?
It's gonna scratch regardless.
I mean, it's gonna rub against each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know it's not gonna be stabilized.
Unless you want to cut a little bit to make it kind of fit this gap. You need something down there. The only thing I can do is make some hole under here to this bumper. Like right here, and like from her hand, put it. Fuck, but this is metal. God damn. Gotta find a way to hit this. But then you'll see the screw though. There's not much of a play here. Oh, shit just hanging.
Yeah, maybe we should have cut these pieces to fully touch the bumper.
Cut what piece?
This piece, like a little bit deeper, so it could actually touch the bumper.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
2 bricks.
Yeah. Get the grocery car on it. Now go up a little bit. Up a little bit. There you go. Hold on. A little bit more. A little bit. I hit the E-brake.
You was gonna pick it right there. I thought you were gonna pick it right here. I don't know, man. It doesn't look safe.
Got no choice. I'm just gonna look under it. don't know, man. If I cut a hole, throw a hole here, then zip tie it to these two big holes on my side, it might hold. But then it's still not safe. It might just hold. You have zip tie, right? I unscrew it up. Yeah, I unscrew it. Right?
The shame, man.
See how ugly the bumper look. Well, it's diffuser.
Slow hole. No.
For some reason, it doesn't rotate. This is hitting it. This right here. You cut this as a waste because it's not going any higher because of this. It can't go any higher. Basically, gotta cut this a little bit.
That trimmer battery sucks, man. You only get like 5 minutes to cut.
Basically from here, right? There.
Yeah, see this mark right here. But either way, you can just clear that shit up.
And slicing through it.
You want a glasses or mask, man?
Nah.
It's carbon fibers.
Fuck you, man. That shit sucks. I think the battery's done.
Damn, we gotta wait an hour to charge it. $60 at Walmart.
It's crap, man. Like, once you charge it full power, it only works for like 5 minutes.
Damn. I don't even have my key. I mean, I think it's hitting this part really tight.
I got no choice.
See, it kind of cracked. Only thing is ugly is this part. What's the next project, man? New wheels?
Huh?
New wheels or what? Or
The next project is to
muffler?
take a shower, drive it around, and see how you like it.
Yeah. Make you want to get back into cars or what?
No. I'm out of it.
My car looked like a ricer now. That's what's up.
I think you like that rice crispy. It don't look that bad.
I haven't
That time when
seen.
you really look at it.
Yeah. Haven't seen any G35 look like that yet. With the rear diffuser.
Yeah.
Well, in San Jose. What's this guy doing, man? He's just licking himself.
Come on.
Alright.
Come on.
Later.
It's too low, man. Lowish. It's on that side.
It's really scraping that shit out. See?
Yeah.
That's what I'm scared of. If I hit a bump, it's gonna tear up the whole back. Alright, let's just go for a casual drive.
You have to turn at an angle like me.
Let's see, trying to pull off normally.
I don't think so.
Oh shit, that's bad. It's really dragging.
Told you should have did angle.
You wanna check out the back?
I knew it.
Damn, you see this mark right here?
I told you to turn that angle.
I mean,
There's no other way to it.
fuck, dude. I might have to get an airbag then. So far, yeah, it's not that bad. I just gotta click it up a little bit.
You can't really see it unless you look directly under it. You're gonna see a whole bunch of scrapes.
Yeah, there's like a whole chunk right here.
Yeah. But you have to turn at an angle if your car is that low.
Alright, the moment of truth.
You have to go with a complete angle. So,
Oh no.
you sure you want to go up there? Tomorrow do some adjustment to the coilover. Maybe raise it up 1/2 inch. Should do the trick.
Damn, it's starting to scrape this shit up. You see it? It's scraping the carbon out. Yeah, man, it's like, I don't know. Eventually, it might crack or something. This part. Yeah, it's just this corner part right here.
Yeah.
So I guess tomorrow we're gonna adjust the coilovers 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
I don't even know how, but yeah, that's it.
Watch it on YouTube. Study it, perfect it.